Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it just needed new gaskets new O-rings for the boiler, as well as a new three-way. So not bad. This one was buzzing, and when one of these busts, it means that it needs to be replaced. So we ended up replacing the whole thing, and let's see if I can open up these. Great. And as you can see, there's no leaks in there. We just replaced the gaskets from all those little holes that you see in there. There's a bunch of little O-rings, and we pretty much replaced all of them from both boilers. There's no any leaks or anything like that. Yeah, that's all we did to this machine. As you can see, it's holding up on. It's at 191 degrees right now, so has a lot of pressure inside. And there you have it. Breville Oracle working once again. So thank you for your prime Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.